To replace the icon of an app or game, follow these steps. Firstly, open the Google Play Store. Search for the AppX icon changer and install it. After opening the app, select the app for which you want to replace the icon. You can either add your own icon image, or choose from available icons and change the name of the app. Tap OK. Now, follow these steps to make the app work. Tap Go to Desktop. Finally, check the results.